Welcome to this tutorial on creating users in the PREP tool. Adding users allows you to manage access and permissions efficiently within your organization. If you are an organization admin, you can create users for your organization. To create a user, first, click the Users menu from the left-hand navigation panel. On the Users page, click the plus button to open the user creation form. Enter the user's name, email ID, and department. If the department is not listed, add one using the department text input and click the plus icon. Now, choose an access level, organization admin for full access, department admin for department management, or user for basic permissions. Configure file permissions, including options to view, edit, upload, and delete files. Set the automated alt text configuration to grant PREP users access to different alt text APIs. To enable API access, simply turn on the radio button. Note, some options, such as file permissions and automated alt text, may be preset or disabled based on your selected subscription plan. You can find the subscription details in your welcome email. Finally, click Save and Close to add the user. You can create up to n number of users, based on the number of available licenses. You can also edit, notify, or delete a user using the Action menu on the Users page. That's it. You've successfully created a user in the PREP tool. Thank you.